Hello, children of Davra International School. I'm Mrs. Harpreet, your principal. I hope you all are safe at home. This is the highly evolving time when the whole world is facing the situation of COVID outbreak, and the most affected ones are students because they are away from school, they are away from their friends. So parents are thinking what we should do so that we can get the happiness of our children back. So dear parents, here I am with some tips. First, be calm and proactive. Be supportive to your child. Be helpful to your child. Your involvement creates a magic. Rather than doing things tomorrow, just get it done today itself. Right? Just stick on to the routine. Get structured. Get them structured. Just ask them to get up early in the morning and do the exercise. Just ask them to do the yoga. Just ask them to do the Zumba and Aerobics on their favorite numbers. Right? It will enhance their physical fitness and mental activeness, which is very important nowadays to regain our immunity. The next point is family harmony at home is must. Parents, we have to monitor our behavior towards our child. Reconnect them with the family. Reconnect our children with their grandparents. Just ask them to listen the past stories of their grandparents. Let your child feel their emotions. Just connect with them emotionally. In the free time, you can ask them, let us do household chores together. Or you can ask, dear children, can you cook a favorite meal for me? Or let us cook favorite meal together? Or just talk something regarding which they like the most. It may be sports, music, celebrities, gym. Right? So they will be happy in doing all these things with you. Just reconnect them with the spirituality. Just ask them to do prayer every day in the morning. Right? And as a word of advice for dear parents, as the online learning is going on, our students are not getting a free time because they are completely packed with the digital gadgets. So, a long day is there. So, in that long day, an hour we can give a free time, the play time to our children. But our involvement is must. We have to involve ourselves with them in their playtime. Just give a free time from all the technical and digital gadgets. Right? Don't worry, dear parents, regarding the academics of your children. We, Davra International School, promise you in this regard. We will be looking forward with the great initiatives for the academics of our children. Online learning is there, but sometimes students feel boredom as a regular habit because in schools they do have different activities to do. So you can ask them, take a break of one day, but in that break they have to do something productive. Reading. Just don't go for the syllabus reading, but they can go for a fiction and non-fiction books reading. If you will engage your children, just go and teach your younger one. Just teach them the concept of maths. They will be happy. Right? Just ask them to write a page every day. At night, whatever they did for the whole day, they can jot it down. So this will improve and enhance their reading and writing skills. The students at this time can engage themselves in their hobbies, in their creative skills. The creative learning, like they are busy, they can involve themselves in dancing if they are interested in instrument playing. So it's an ample of time now in which they can engage themselves. And dear students, we are looking forward as soon as we will be meeting in school. It's a good time for all of us whenever we'll meet. But till the time, connect with the online learning, cooperate with your teachers and connect with your teachers in online learning. And dear parents, together we can make a bigger difference in the life of our children. Thank you so much.